My name's Josh Burton from Action Corrosion. I'm here today to talk about the importance of corrosion protection on solar panels. The first product we're going to talk about is Glastion. Now Glastion seals the edge of laminated glass. So your solar panel has an EVA interlay between the layers of glass and the actual solar panel material, and what this does, it protects that edge and waterproofs it, because if you get water within the interlayer there, you'll see bubbling and delamination like you see in the corners of this panel. So we recommend using Glastion upon manufacture before the frame goes on, and that will stop that moisture getting in that interlayer. The next product I'm going to talk about is Action HVAC-R. Now Action HVAC-R has been used widely in the air conditioning industry to prevent corrosion on the cabinets and also the electrics within the system. Now solar panels and air conditioners have the same issue. If they get corrosion in the electrics, well then they become inefficient, and the cabinets and the fixings that hold the panels to the roof also need protection to prevent roof rust. What I'm going to do now is go through the different areas where Action HVAC-R can be used on this particular set of panels, which have been in for about 4 to 5 years. This set of panels has a problem with black mold. Not only has it affected the underside, but it's wrapped around the top onto the glass panel. By applying a coat of Action HVAC-R prior to installation, you'll reduce the incidences of black mold growth. To prevent corrosion on fixings holding down the panels to the roof, upon installation, a simple spray of Action HVAC-R will stop this occurring and prevent it leaching onto the roof and creating problems with the roof sheeting. Yep. Here we see the earth wire clamp. The green is the earth wire coming in. The problem with this is that you have different metals which are reacting with each other, and when you have dissimilar metals you have corrosion. So you can see the aluminium clamp is all chalky, and that's corrosion. And then you've got a stainless steel fixing, and then you've got copper coming in from the earth wire. So this is always going to be an issue. So what we do recommend is upon installation you coat it with Action HVAC-R all over that area, and it will prevent this dissimilar metal issue taking hold. So you can see that moisture has got into the exposed glass edge. What we recommend to prevent this is the Glastion product we earlier talked about, which would seal that exposed edge and prevent moisture going in there, because as that spreads you'll see that the EVA interlayer will bubble, and then you'll lose efficiency in this panel. Here we have the junction box for the solar panels. We have a number of electrical connections within this box. We also have PC boards here and downstairs. All the electrics can be coated with Action HVAC-R. It's non-conductive, so it won't short out the system, but what it will do is provide awesome corrosion protection, and it'll stop moisture getting in and shorting out. And what it'll mean is your unit will always remain very efficient, and you won't have those problems like I mentioned before with your earth and internal connections. Finally, Action HVAC-R can be used on the aluminium frame and the stand. You've got to remember, to get on a roof like this you need safety equipment. It's very difficult. Sometimes it's almost impossible to get up without cranes and scaffold. So it's really important to coat these prior to installation, and once it's installed you can be assured that you've got excellent corrosion protection on your solar panel unit. I'd like to thank you for your time. For more information about Glastion and Action HVAC-R or our other products for automotive and marine, please go to our website www.actioncorrosion.com.au.